What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are jumping straight into action, taking on Titans in the ultimate fight for humanity. Stick around because things are about to get crazy. By the way, I'm taking the Shiganshina map as it is the biggest map, I think, and it looks the coolest one also. Hey big guy, what's up? Ever seen a Titan Slayer? Damn you, bro. How did you dodge that? But still, you are die. You will die. Bro, I blinded you, but I have meant to kill you. Alright, still I will kill you. Done. Bam. Yo, chill, bro, chill. And you die. Alright, so I am going to the next titan, but this titan will keep following me, bro. How the hell did he grab me? How? But still I will take him down in a sec. Let me just take down this one. Bam, like that. Oh guys, by the way, this is my new account, so that's why it is a easy mode. But my old account I had gone to severe and ran a small content creator. So please, if you like my videos, subscribe to me. I make YouTube videos for fun, and if you want to learn how I kill titans, and it is a really easy way. And you can also do this in a raid for Attack Titan or the Armor Titan. It is really easy. But for that, stick around. I will tell you the secret in the end. By the way, guys, did you see that kill? It was so easy. Just go behind them and kill them. Right now I'm going to another titan to kill him, and I think so that I will refuel my gear in like 2-3 more titan kills. Bro, hey Boldy, still, you should die, bro. Oh hell nah. Alright, I took him down. Whatever, the second dude always comes like in the end. And how the hell did he not die in the first try? It's okay, I took him down in the second strike. But still, how the hell did he survive that? And one shot him always like. Guys, you also have to do the objectives so that you get extra gold and extra XP. And guys, once you prestige, always use the luck option as it is the best in the game. If you choose the luck option, it would be easier to get the attack serum or the armored serum. Okay, alright, where the hell are you? One was just right behind me. Say goodbye, Titan bro. Oh hell no. How the hell are you so big? By the way, I hate small titans. They are difficult to kill. But still you can take them down by just going above by double jumping and then coming down. But this titan wants to eat me for his dinner. So just escape and blind him at the same time, and then when you're coming down just kill him. And that's easy. And with the even with the lowest gear, you can do that. It is easy. But once you see an abnormal or a crawler, I will tell you the easiest method to kill them in the next video. So stay tuned. But how the hell are there two titans with this? And this small titan, see, that's what I was telling you. Their hands always come in between and their name. So still you can take them down pretty easy. So yeah, if you want another video on, I will be rating the families based on my opinion with shifting and without shifting in one of the videos. So stay tuned. But for me, like if you are a newbie, so you should not use the family yet, but if you get any good family, to keep it. And if you get the Jaeger or the Ackerman or the Reese, keep them. I'm telling you, it is pretty difficult to get them. And on weekends, you get 2 times family, so that is a really good for rolling. And I will tell you some codes if you want to know codes. So please tell me in the comment section below. And that's a wrap for today's episode. Another day, another batch of titans down. If you love that like button, drop a comment below, and let me know what's your favorite way to take down a titan. Don't forget to subscribe, because trust me, this is just the beginning. See you in the next one. Peace out.